Avoid these mistakes or you will lose money. Hello and welcome back to the NoStressTrader platform. In this series, I'm going to be explaining exactly the mistakes you should avoid and don't lose money. Okay, so right here, there are a sequence of errors and mistakes that people are definitely going to make, or you are going to make, because you are maybe just newly using our platform to trade. So there are a series of mistakes which point out right here that you need to definitely avoid to make sure you maximize our AI robots to make the best of money in trading. Being it a newbie, be it an expert trader, this platform is for everybody. So number one mistake you shouldn't make as a user of a platform is avoid over trading. Okay, don't overtrade. When you've hit your target profit, expect your account growth percentage, please stay out of the market. Because it seems like the Forex market that we trade on MT4 and MT5, the moment you try to overtrade or over-risk your account, you get your account blown and you begin to see yourself going down and down and down because you're losing money, right? So the second thing you shouldn't do, avoid taking too high risks. Don't risk too much. Over-risking is not good. So the third mistake you shouldn't do is stop expecting instant profit. Give the robot time to execute trade based on the strategy that we coded the robot with, okay? Don't expect the robot to shoot in trades in a careless manner. No, the robots are well built. The strategies are embedded and do what according to the strategies, okay? The third thing you shouldn't do, avoid manual trading. Please, this section on the right is not for you. If you are not a master of the platform, with regards to manual trading, please avoid it. Don't go to the manual trading part of the platform unless you are an expert, okay? So the next thing you should avoid trading consolidating market. Please, don't put on your bot the moment you see that the market you want to trade is consolidating. Simply just go to the next market. Let's say we're going for week 75. So let's say it is 75. Okay? If we go to week 75 and we find out that it's consolidating like it's doing right now, we are going to avoid trading it with our robot. Okay? But if you see that you've done your analysis and the market condition is not going to be consolidating, okay, then you can't take or trade with our robot. You can activate the robot to trade for you, okay? So that's what you should definitely not do. Don't trade consolidating market using our robots. And the last most important thing you shouldn't do, avoid dream and trying to flip accounts, okay? Don't be greedy and don't think or want to flip account using our bot. It's very possible, yes, you might happen a wish management plan, right? That gives you the permission to flip with her bot. It's okay. But to be on the safe side, try to target between 2 to 5% of your account board. Every single day, that's 100% achievable. That's really very, very easy for our robots to give you that kind of a profit margin, okay? So in the next slide, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to deposit and withdraw using our platform. If you did find this video very resourceful, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button right below there. Turn on the notification bell so that each time we upload a new content, you're going to get notified by YouTube. And don't forget to also like and share this video. Let's get to hundreds of people. Let's get to millions of people out there struggling to make money from the financial market. Thank you and see you in the next series.